Alright, we got an iPad. Definitely seen better days. And this is before Refurb Kings. Customer brought this in. Can't believe they waited this long to get it fixed, but we're going to get it straightened out for them. You break it, we fix it. There you go. Back in action. Bent the frame back out. Put a new trim ring around it. Brand new glass. Works like a charm. Again, you break it, we fix it. 859-233-0754 on New Circle Road, across the street from Sam's Club. RefurbKings.com. You break it, we fix it.